ingredients we were getting, I wasn't sure. Sounds about right. It does, doesn't it? They'll bolt tops out, and then after you get a frost, then they start digging all. Oh, it looked like it was fresh. I mean, it was cool, but I can get water to it, so it's not very big. It's like a 60 by 30, but I watered the hell out of it. It had stuff that's like that tall. I had rape, I had peas in it, clover, I had everything. It was so cool.
S'mores. S'mores dip.
Man, I know how s'mores dip.
Mm-hmm. So just take the chocolate chips and melt them. I put the cast iron pan on there and let it heat up. Mm-hmm. And then you just got to make sure that the chocolate doesn't burn. But once it's melted, then we add the sweetened condensed milk. And then once you stir that all together, then we'll just swirl the marshmallow fluff in there. And then I've got the
2 grams.
Mm-hmm. They'll just dip. They'll just can dip it.
Looks good.
Mm-hmm.
I'll test it out.
Okay.
I thought it wasn't our driveway. I know. Well, it was funny that one gave me a bottle of pumpkin seeds. I was planting so many that I took down there. It was so cool because I didn't even know what they were. It was a mixture. It was cool because I didn't know what they were.
There's those little tiny baby white ones too that are around. Yeah.
They were cool.
That dill is so cool to grow.
I know.
And it prevents things in your garden. I've been writing my own book because I need to know what things do. So I'm thinking of that everywhere. Do you know, I gotta figure out what do I plant next to basil so the bugs don't eat it. There's a sister plant. Well then I have that in my book because I also have that next to my basil.
Actually, it's something that most don't like it.
Yeah.
But if you want some wild mix, like, there's a whole bunch of growing in my yard.
This guy,
And I'm like, okay, I can't just remember all this.
You just made a video?
Yeah. Okay. You ready? Here.
Okay, drop them on.
Nope. Ready?
Yeah. Look at Mom.
Do cheers. Yeah, you don't have hardly any on there. Cheers.
I get a problem with
Can we watch the new movie?
Yeah.
They just chew the leaves off.
So, and you're sure that doesn't make it like
Delicious, Parker?
What's that?
What are you?